Today I'm going to be using Seafoam and mass airflow cleaner on my Camaro. It's been idling rough. I changed the spark plugs, which I did make a video on that. I made a video on changing that purge solenoid right there. I'm hoping that's not the problem because I just replaced it. It ran fine for about 5 days after, but then it started acting up again. So I'm just hoping everything here is in order, no leaks in the vacuum lines, anything like that. So I'm hoping that a little bit of Seafoam and cleaning out the MAF will clear up some issues that I'm having. It's rough idling, and it backfires when the engine is cold if I step on it, which I know I shouldn't do when it's cold, but I just did it to test it to see what would happen, and yeah, it backfired. This doesn't require many tools. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take this clamp off using an 8mm socket, just a little hand tool. So you're gonna slide this back, and this tube is gonna go right into the throttle body. What we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to cut this. So I'm gonna cut that a little bit, just stick it in there just enough for it to go inside that throttle body. And then we're gonna seal that back around it. All right, I got the tubing going in, and we're gonna do is spray this for about 5 minutes while the car is running. And I don't have someone to hit the throttle, so you're gonna probably wanna just raise the RPMs up a little bit by hitting the throttle body there. You roughly gauge it around like 1500 RPMs, and that's where you wanna keep it at while spraying this into the throttle body. After emptying the whole can into the throttle body, you can see the straw doesn't stay on there very good, so I ended up spraying around a little bit. Kind of pissed me off. See everywhere, a little sweat spots, so I'm just gonna get a rag and wipe it all down. So I'm going to unscrew the clamp and then remove the throttle body, take that straw out. And in the process, you have to let this sit in there, the engine, for about 15 minutes. And in the meantime, I'm going to take off the MAF sensor. I'm going to spray it down with that cleaner that I got and put it all back together. See how bad she smokes. Alright, got the throttle body, or the MAF off rather. Throttle body's right there. That's what we ended up spraying the Seafoam into, right in that intake. And it's got those little sensors in there which can get dirty or they go bad. I'm hoping they're just dirty. Trying to troubleshoot the problem that I'm having. It's not been fun. So what you're gonna do is you're going to spray all of those for about 3 seconds a piece and let it dry for about 10 seconds. And then you're going to spray it again for about another 3 seconds. And then you're gonna flip it, spray the inside there, which this honeycomb makes it a little difficult. But that's all you gotta do. And I'll do a follow-up on this. All right, now I'm gonna start on my car. It's dark out, so I got the light on. Usually wait till it stops beeping so I can let the fuel pump prime. And let's hope there's a bunch of smoke that comes out the rear. There goes some. Yeah. It's getting in the car, but that's pretty much it. That's how you Seafoam a car. If you use a regular bottle, then you're gonna have to do it through a vacuum line. And you can see the smoke's coming in the car, so I'm gonna shut the door while I do this. And good luck to you. And I'm just hoping this works for me. And stop by Camaro Rick. Stop by his YouTube channel. His name's Camaro Rick. Just type that in your search. And he's the one that gave me a bunch of advice to try to get my car running better. So if you have any questions, you can stop by and ask him on his channel. He's very knowledgeable. He's the real deal, and he has his own shop. So just check him out. Once again, that's Camaro Rick. This car is stuck. His wheels are spinning.